Hi you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Zoe. I'm a wife and mom to 3 littles. Our youngest is 9 months old now, so I've been going on the ups and downs of everything to do with postpartum and trying to lose that stubborn baby weight. In this video, I'm bringing you 3 of my easy go-to meals and snacks. Keep on watching as I show you step by step how to make these meal plan approved healthy recipes. First one up is my chicken stir fry. When I meal prep, I do it for the entire week, so this looks like a lot of veggies, but once I saute them in the pan, you'll see it'll start to look like a lot less. This is the most tedious part of meal prepping, but in the long run, it's easier to just take the time to cut everything up, and you'll see I actually have a lot of leftovers I'll be putting in the fridge. That way, if they're all cut up, I tend to reach towards snacking on veggies throughout the week.
I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it. Can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth. 'Cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give up, nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. Little bit too much. A little bit too much.
I ended up putting the other half of the cauliflower in the fridge for later, so now we're moving on to the peppers. When I filmed this, you guys, you could tell by my crazy hair, I had just finished a workout and 2 of my kids were napping, so I quick changed my clothes and started prepping my food while I still had some alone time.
If you think that I'm a little bit too much for you, maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready.
Now that my pan is heaping with veggies, I'm adding in avocado oil and lots of pepper. I'm going to let this cook on medium heat, throw the lid on, and come back to stir it occasionally.
Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too.
While that's going on the stovetop, I'm putting the extra peppers I cut up into the fridge, and I'll start prepping the egg bites I'm doing for breakfast this week. I wanted even more protein to go into these, so I thought turkey sausage sounded great. No, it does not look appetizing, putting this in the pan, but trust me, you guys, it tasted amazing in the egg bites.
Wake up, keep it steady. steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.
I'm going to give these veggies a quick stir and preheat the oven for 400 degrees for the egg bites.
Just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And who was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better.
This part of scrambling the eggs you don't have to do. I just like the consistency better. I'm going to pepper them and you'll see I'm sneaking in more veggies. Spinach is great, rips them apart good, and it adds a little something extra.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be fighting, cause I am still the same. I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right,
I top mine with a little Colby Jack. Any cheese will do. Really, you can make these egg bites any which way you'd like. I've made them with ham and cut up peppers before, you name it. It's nice to switch them up. I put these in the oven for about 20 minutes, and by the time I had taken my veggies that were sauteing off the heat, and we'll come back to those a little later in the video.
Something stay the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am.
This is a snack recipe I had actually started the day before, and the only ingredient I didn't have was honey. I ended up picking some up, and we're gonna finish making these protein balls together. This is hands down my favorite recipe I have found for protein balls, and honestly, they're such a great little sweet treat. In this mixture, I already have 3 cups of gluten-free rolled oats, 3 cups protein powder, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, 1 cup of melted natural organic peanut butter, and 3/4 cup of honey. This superfoods powder is what I use from Beachbody. It's a great protein powder, but really any protein of your choice will do. I mix the rolled oats and protein powder in a bowl first before adding the rest of the ingredients, just to make sure it all mixes well, and then you can go ahead and start shaping them into balls.
Quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire. I took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. 'Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it.
Look at how amazing these egg bites are coming out of the oven. I am going to let these cool and move on to finishing the chicken stir fry. I've had chicken tenders cooking all day in the crock pot. I usually have frozen chicken breasts I throw in, but I could only get my hands on raw chicken tenders at the store this day, so I put those in the crock pot with a little water at the bottom and sprinkled pepper on top. I cooked them on low for about 5-ish hours. Now that they're fully cooked, I am going to take them out and shred them in my KitchenAid mixer.
You fuel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together.
The last thing for our chicken stir fry is the rice. I'm cooking some brown rice in water to put in the microwave, and then we can get on with portioning out my meals of stir fry for this week's dinners.
Let's keep this fire alive. Fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire. 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 Fire.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Now that these egg bites are completely cooled, I'm putting them in a Ziploc baggie to put in the fridge. I love how convenient it is in the mornings to just pop 2 or 3 of these in the microwave, and they're very filling.
Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun?
So the nutrition plan that I follow is also through Beachbody. It's a container system and you follow a certain plan that includes so many of these portions a day. I followed the same nutrition plan alongside working out 5-6 days a week when I was postpartum with our son Grady, and I actually lost 50 pounds. So, I'm definitely here doing it again. Each of these dinners will consist of one veggie portion, one protein portion, and the rice as one carb.
Gotta feel free sometimes, but what doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished to stay, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. Said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so giving something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. Don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Where have you been? It's like I waited all my life, so happy that I found you.
There you have it, you guys. 3 of my go-to healthy recipes while I am on yet again another postpartum weight loss journey. Of course, you don't have to be postpartum or trying to lose weight to eat any of these recipes. They're just great options to incorporate into living a cleaner and healthier lifestyle. I hope this gave you some yummy options to try for yourself. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in another one of my videos very soon.